Hey guys, how are you? This is Ekrab Chaudhary and you are watching our YouTube channel Quantum Story. Hope you all are well. In today's video, I am going to talk about father of modern science, Galileo Galilei. So stay in the video from beginning to end. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Let's move on now. Galileo Galilei was an Italian polymath who lived in the 16th and 17th century. His fields of research included physics, astronomy, mathematics, and philosophy. His observations were based on experiments and measurements. Therefore, he is often called the father of modern science. He was the first to purposefully use telescopes to observe astronomical objects and phenomena. As an inventor, he has enriched universal science with numerous valuable instruments. Originally, he studied medicine at the University of Pisa, but he had to interrupt his studies for financial reasons. Meanwhile, his interest turned to mathematics and natural philosophy. Galileo studied the works of Archimedes and Aristotle. Similarly to his contemporaries, Galileo's early writings reflected the scientific approach of Aristotle, although the results of even his earliest experiments contradicted some parts of Aristotle's theory of physics. Later he became professor at the University of Padua, where he taught astronomy, geometry, and mechanics for 18 years. Besides teaching, he was constantly experimenting as well. Galileo's microscope was made of wood, cardboard, and leather, and it was mounted on an iron tripod. The outside of the occhino, as Galileo called it, was covered by green vellum with gold decorations. The name microscope was given by Johannes Faber. The microscope contained 3 lenses, an objective, a field lens, and an eyepiece. The objective was 3.5 mm thick and 11 mm in diameter, while the field lens was somewhat larger, 4.7 mm thick and 30 mm in diameter. Even though Galileo was for a long time believed to have invented the microscope, it is now attributed rather to Giuseppe Campani. Galileo built numerous sectors such as military and geometric compasses after 1597. The sector shown in this animation was probably made for Cosimo II, Grand Duke of Tuscany. This instrument, which was designed for geometric, astronomic, and military purposes, allowed him to perform precise geometric and arithmetic calculations. The instrument consisted of 4 parts. There were 2 rulers, that is, arms with various scales engraved on them. In addition, a clamp was attached to one of the arms which kept the sectors in a vertical position and allowed that arm to be extended. The ends of the arms were fixed to be disc-shaped pivot with a plumb line attached to it. This plumb line always showed the vertical direction, thus together with the quadrant with his scales also located between the arms, it was used to measure angles. So guys, now that we have reached the end of this video, if you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.